Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So you know on my channel, I do not advertise any products, give the names of them. However, on this one, I'm going to have to. I'm at Lowe's today. I was going to pick up a bag of Green Max, and I saw some Stay Green products. And it looks like Stay Green has upped their game on several things here. It's not your grandpa's fertilizer anymore. What I want to show you is, on this bag is Stay Green Performance Max. It has 30% nitrogen, it has 4% sulfur, and it has 6% iron. This bag of Green Max, 26% nitrogen, 11% sulfur, and 5.17% iron. Comparable products. This Stay Green can be bought for $29.98. If you take 2 of those bags, then you get 60. You walk over here to the equivalent Stay Green by Scott's, $65.98. But let's not stop there. Let's take a look at Stay Green's iron on this side compared to Ironite. And this one says that it has 20% iron in it. Look at that. 2% sulfur. Come over here. We've got 9.9% iron, 33% sulfur. I consider sulfur to be a vital part of your soil makeup. It's as important to me as NPK. Here's another product we've got right here. It's a Stay Green 2000. It's got 20% nitrogen in it, 24% sulfur. So if you are trying to drop your pH in your soil because it's too high, this would probably be a good product to put down in your yard. But here's another one over here. Let's take a look at this starter fertilizer. This is Stay Green, guys. Includes humic, sea kelp, and protein hydrolysates. I guess that's how you would say that. But these are the 2 that caught my eye. So it looks like Stay Green has upped their game big time in the fertilizer area. And a lot of these packages are saying that it has some micronutrients or has sea kelp or humic acid or things like that in it. So if you're at Lowe's, might be worth taking a look at. From me to Brian, out.